Hi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. I think. Hi, good morning. So, I have got, you all must have received an email by now. Some of you must have seen. Depending on the three groups, I have shared that the slide preparation. Just try to see your email.
Yes, sir, we got these.
So one check, just last time I told that try to get, suppose if you have done on miltefosine, then try to get for artemisinin and Taxol or paclitaxel from your colleagues. Is there any difficulty or it is possible to get? And see, because I'm not planning to teach that, I want you to learn on your own all the three topic, and definitely one of them will come in exam. I don't know which one, but one of them is definitely as a short note, because this is like a very commercially most important plant related medicines. Though multifuscin, I won't put a lot of plant related, but from third world point of view, multifuscin and podophytotoxins are very important. So I'm just checking back with you all that is it possible to get? And as I told you last time, that my purpose is that your interaction increases. Vivek, is it possible to get from other friends?
Yes, sir, it's possible. Actually, I have not asked yet, but it is
Please, please,
possible.
please, why I'm very cautious, I'm not actually not planning to teach that all three of them in the class, and I want you to learn from each other. And now, this small second portion which we are dealing with, like that assignment, I want to use it like that, and especially now the next thing which you will be doing, that slide presentation. Okay, I didn't put the date for the slide presentation. 6 today we are on 6th October. How about, do you all have any vacation this time for Dasera or Diwali? Anything declared?
Sir, I think we have a Diwali vacation. I'm not sure about the Shara.
So I think will 20th October, will it be good time? I think that should be fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Three groups are there. So, what you can choose. I'll just, today I don't want to really start any new topic. Two things I would use now, 2, 3 lectures for this way, because we are in sufficient time and there are some of the new topics which we will cover it. And from exam point of view, I think we are in a well in advance. So there is no issues with that. So what I want to use little more dialogue with you all in multiple ways, because next semester is going to be very fast semester. I think it is going to be only till February. And then you all go for a training. Am I right, right? Is there any structural change or it's the same?
Yes, sir.
It's good.
You're right, sir.
Yeah. So, um, yeah, what I was telling was this three slide sets. So in that, we'll keep the date. Maybe we require 2 lecture, but I think first we will start it on 14 days should be more than sufficient, right? 2 weeks kind of thing. So 20th October. 2-1, yeah, fine. So that should be okay.
Okay.
I'll confirm with the email, but I think I've sent the email, so 3 groups, and try to make it in such a way that, of course, some of the topic like biofuel last time we did. Then biofuel itself is a very, very huge topic, but what I did only from an exam point of view. Now onwards, today's class will leave apart. Now onwards, we will do in a depth. So if you want to know any particular next this class, I think you all prepare on the slides, discuss in that group which you have formed the group. No, I think you all are expert. Like WhatsApp chat you can put. So I don't mind right now. You all that 6 people group right now only you can decide your role responsibility. If that how you will go ahead and then distribute among yourself who will make what topic slides. And you can go above 50, 10 to 15 slides should be sufficient because each slide will take 1 to 2 minutes. And if three groups are there, if you want to finish in one lecture, or maybe we'll take little more on that day and we will try to finish, because then I have to put the marks for that. And those slides I have to submit for examination department. So these are some of the modalities, but I would like to share all those modalities with you. So there are 2 ways we can use today's class, the full class. The one thing you all talk among yourself that group wise and discuss about the 3 topics, and you can start looking onto Google or anywhere. Just avoid only Wikipedia because multiple places as you look, you will get an idea and it will become better. And the second thing, so many topics we have done. So if any one of you can take your 10 minutes time to see the topic where you have not understood or you have missed and you want me to repeat, I'm here whole time. Today I'm not busy or anything, but I just want you to take this pause and understand the things, just otherwise dumping the knowledge is not so important. I think reflect on the knowledge, and even your questions will make me understand that I might not have covered few things in a proper way or in a little depth you want to know, that I'll know. So just take 10:34, take 10 minutes to go through your slide, 10 to 15 minutes. I'm here only, and then we will further I will answer any of the question, little more discussion or depth explanation you want, we can go ahead with that. And you can use this time to even talk with that group, with 3 groups which you have been sent. Okay, is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm here. Yeah, I'm here only all the time. So just as soon as you want me, call me, anything you want to understand, ask. Just take 10-minute gap. So 10:25, 10:35, I will again speak to you all, and I just now leave it to you all. Yeah. अच्छा स्कैंड है।
स्कैन में मैंने ध्यान नहीं किया, मैंने इसको वो जेपीजी में शेयर कर दिया।
Yes, anybody want to ask any questions or any previous thing which you have not understood? Now you can ask, I'm here only. Please feel free. I hope you all are going through the presentation, I mean, previous lectures, anyone which you are interested in. And especially, I would point out to one of that, which you don't forget that with a diagrammatical explanation of fungi as an insecticides. Remember three different fungi we did, verticillium, which insect picture is there with cuticle and hemolymph and then fungus entering. So that is also a very favorite question because it is very commonly used from a bioprospecting and from startup. If you want to go for a new startup, I think these three for fungus which we discussed that time. So if you don't have the notes, at least try to look for them today.
So,
Yes, Shakti.
yes, sir. So you talked about 9 points in overall process for getting drugs from plants.
Yes.
So, sir, can you repeat that if it is important?
Yeah. See, one thing I'll first explain you in 2 or 3 ways. Yeah. First, I will, because till anybody else has a question, please keep it ready. I'll take another 5-7 minutes. So, Shakti, in this case, drugs from a plant, uh, that is phytomedicines, correct? If suppose like, let's first look from an exam point of view. If you get a question of around say 15 marks, then, this question will have one aspect is, you can say that the plants are used for drug by Ayurvedic pharmacognosy. So you have to define pharmacognosy. What is the pharmacognosy? You remember that definition of pharmacognosy? I'm not repeating, just I'm tinkling, like you'll remember, you all will remember.
Yes.
Ah, so pharmacognosy is knowledge of drug which comes from plants. So first you give that definition. Followed by that you write about this. I'm talking about elaborate 15-mark question. See, artemisinin. If you have done artemisinin elaborately you write, and if you have done Taxol, then write elaborate Taxol because you have written handwritten, so you'll be easily able to reproduce. And you give one more, that is artemisinin. Suppose if you are writing big note on Taxol, then just make a small note on artemisinin. Correct? That is used for malaria. Followed by that, because this is just 6 mark or 7 mark question. If it is 6-7 mark question, this is sufficient. But you remember I explained you about extraction, so that we take a plant, we wash it, we dry it. The whole flow chart is there. I think I shared with you all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Also, below that there are 9 points that I think I am not able to recall. Should I share it?
you can share it. If you can share it on the screen here only, it will be good. Or otherwise send me and then I will open it. Because for me, I'll have to search through the whole jungle of emails which I have.
Yes, sir.
Then I'll selectively explain you there's 9 points, more detail.
Is it
Great. See, I think this is very important 9 points which you brought. I think for all of us, correct? Okay, I remember. I didn't took this in detail because this is from our actual work. I remembered now. This was, I told you that you all are too young, but I thought I'll share with you. This is what actually we did a dengue plant. For dengue, we got an product from a plant called as Sesame pleurosis. And here I gave you this 9 point. Maybe it is too much for your from your point of view, but I think it is always good. It's no level. Like if you're really interested, each one I'll go. Correct? Collection, identification, and authentication of a plant material. Now collection. Now you all know, correct? That we discussed about a variety of different, like from Rajasthan, if you collect, and if you collect down south, say Trichy, the plant material has a difference. I told you that the whole composition can be different. So you have to first collect it from 4 or 5 different regions from where you are actually likely to make the product. So collection region, first thing, this collection, one word, but it takes around 6 months to decide that which region we will collect so that we get the maximum amount of the drug content from that plant material. Did you understand that point?
Yes, sir.
Then second is identification. This is a botanical see, botanically identify, there are so closely looking plant. So you either go genomics or because you have to submit, when you really make a product, you have to submit to the regulatory authority before you sell it into the market. So this identification has to be digital. You can't say that just with my eyes I am identifying it as a Scissomplerosis or any plant, whatever your medicine, or Artemisia. So you have to really give an scientific knowledge on that identification. Yeah. And authentication, correct? So that is going together, scientific identification and authentication of plant material. So first point is that. Pilot batch preparation at the lab scale. So now what happened? We first bring it. We brought around 5 kg from each, from Trichy, Rajasthan, MP, and I think up north somewhere from either northeast we got. So we got 4 or 5 different places we got the plant, and that was only 5 kgs. Then we decided Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh is having the maximum amount of anti-dengue compound. So we collected around 100 kgs from these 2 places. So, and then brought it into the lab and did the processing. Now processing is washing, drying, that I explained you, correct? Washing of plant, drying of plant. Then
Yes.
so I'm not going through it. So that is what the second point says, correct? Specification of setting for extract. Yeah, now I'll tell you. Now this is real. Now onward, the points will become more detail and too much of detail, but it's fun. That is what today's class I have kept it for. The specification of setting of an extract. So, specification setting. Now I'll tell you. Then your question could have been there that how you came to know that Rajasthan and MP is having a better content than Trichy and Northeast one. So, we ran an HPLC and we did it is called as a fingerprinting. If you've seen HPLC graphs keep on coming. Can you see me? I don't have right now HPLC graph, but in HPLC is one of the analytical instrument through which you inject, and then the UV, the whatever is getting eluted out is coming as a UV peaks. So that is called as a peak. So different places had a different peak. The peak tells you the concentration of different compound. You can, at this stage, you don't know what is the compound, but you name them as peak number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. So in Rajasthan and MP, the peak number 2 was highest. And then when we checked it in for anti-dengue activity in our laboratory, that turned out to be the most potent compound. So that those 2 extracts were the most active, and they're able to kill the virus very well. And that is where the screening model which we set up. I talked about screening model also in one of our that. So that was so robust and so good that we could make out that. And that is what is called as a specification setting for the extract. So we now set up the extract specification that peak number 2 should be at least 70% of all the peaks. I think this is very complicated, but have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. And then large scale preparation of SEPA. SEPA is nothing but Scissomplerosis. So large scale, then it went into 1,000 kgs and more than that, correct? So the large scale has another very big importance. It should not happen that half of the jungle you will kill, all the Scissomplerosis plant you will kill to bring it, making it 1,000 kg. So at this stage, at one hand, you collect it from the forest, only the leaves part we were collecting, and then season wise we fixed it. At the same time, we started a cultivation for this plant because now we were very sure that we want to make this as a product. So that's a large scale SEPA extraction. Physicochemical characterization and biological activity, which I told you in a smaller scale in a third point number 3, specification setting, the same way. And then little more detail of a physicochemical solubility, and then it's certain toxicity. Those are too much of detail, but those kind of biological activity, not just anti-dengue activity, correct? Then formulation to identify final dosage. Yeah, I think Shakti, I'll explain you this point very quickly. Formulation, like, then once you decide what is a product, whether you want to make a tablet, whether it will be injectable, whether it will be in an ointment form. So dengue, we had to have either injectable or in tablet. So we had to decide that what kind of tablet we'll make or whether we'll fill it up in capsule. So we decided that capsule filling will be easy with the plant material. So that forms under a formulation and okay. And
Yes.
IND studies. This is like, I'm teaching to MSc class this IND. That is investigational new drug. So IND directed studies, I think right now leave it. Yeah, it is a huge studies which cost 8 crore rupees. It includes dog and monkey studies and rat and mice 6 months carcinogenicity study. So many studies. So IND is investigational new drug studies that is to be done before you give it to human. You have to ultimately prove that this is not toxic and it is not going to harm to human. Whether it will be helpful to your human or not is a secondary, but it should not be harmful to the human. So that is being decided before we go to human. So that is what these 9 points are. Huh?
Okay, sir.
And DCGI is Drug Controller General of India. This which you are seeing is very uncommon at an academic level. This is a purely industry level, and this is from an actual picture I brought it. So, but still, I think those other than you also, those who are hearing maybe find interesting. Or if anybody else has a question on this, please ask. Or
Sir,
want to know? Yeah, go ahead.
If we get 15-mark question as you said, so
This part-
explaining this table and with examples, will it be fine?
Yeah, and two of that. Remember what I told you, artemisinin. If you have done artemisinin or multifosin, out of those three, you have to write at least about two. Then
And
you have
these,
to write this table, and then not just don't just draw this. You have to write after drawing this chart. You have to explain your chart, correct? So
yes.
two lines or three lines, and that should be sufficient. That will be almost 2 to 3 full script write up if you go through it. Huh?
So it is not important to write these 9 points.
No. This is only for your understanding. Yeah, I just shared with you all for your understanding. No, not for you all. Yeah, even your examination, the examiner will not know about this, most of this. Because from academic point of view, it is not important.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, sure.
So when you said identification and authentication of the plant, so by that, do you mean at the genomic level in the lab?
Okay,
Or
I'll tell you. No, correct what you said. Here the botanist, actually, I have not done it. See, I'll tell you, any drug preparation involves a big team. So this was done by our botany. We had a biochemistry and a botany team along with us. We were microbiologists. So, botany team does first what, actually speaking, I'm not expert at identification, but, from looking at a shape, size, all those, the first different level of identification they do first. Yeah. And very close species, like first they identified that this looks like something like a Sesame pleurosis. And then they said this is this plant from their experience. So, identification and authentication even today remains a very big question mark in Ayurvedic drugs. So Ayush department is struggling with it. But there are few very good botanists in India and there are certified botanists. So once you feel this is a Sesame pleurosis, you go to them. And while going to them, what we did, we did we tried to do a genomic data generation on that. So we isolated the plant DNA and multiple other steps to find out. And then we try to compare it with the available data and try to call it as a Sesame pleurosis species. So that is what an authentication. But the first step is not directly genomic, correct? The first step is experienced botanist. And truly speaking, I was not directly involved in identification because that's not cup of my tea. In fact, in India only, there are not more than really very authentic identification. People are very less. Okay, I don't want to put the number, but there is always a confusion about identification of a plant from the wild forest.
okay, sir. Sir, like the genomic data you prepared, do the botanist refer to that or only from sheer experience they
Truly speaking,
identify?
sheer experience. And then, three people got together and then three different places and three different, without really meeting each other, they identified because this was in industrial scale and we were filing a patent. So if you have a wrong identification, your patent will get invalidated and we wanted to sell it in USA. That is why, but it was more genomic data was not as useful as it would have been in microorganisms where I am the expert. But they went more on the basis of their botanical classification and experience and understanding that scientific botanical understanding. So ultimately, genomic data was not used.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
So I hope that you all are at least able to talk to your teams, six of you or 6 or 7 in each team, and make up your ideas. Is it possible? Devanshi, was it done? I think if she's there. Devanshi?
Yes,
Anyone?
sir.
Yeah, Devanshi, could you at least manage that? I think you only shared,
Yes, sir.
correct? Devanshi Sharma, correct. Yeah, you
Yes,
shared
sir.
the teams with me. So just, if they have not been able to talk today, that is the way you will have to go for preparation of slides. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. चलो फटाफट कैमरा ऑन कर दो 2 मिनट के लिए. आई थिंक अटेंडेंस लेकर के आई थिंक आज का क्लास हम यहीं फिनिश कर देंगे. Unless if there is any other question, I'm available till 11:15. चालू कर दे रहा. Camera is must, attendance doesn't come otherwise. Good. I hope that we meet sometime. Yeah. Just one question comes to my mind. Have most of you arranged for your training? No, not training. Correct. Training will be, but I would suggest you all. We are sitting in October. Please try to look for your next year training, which is 6 months or 3 months. It will start somewhere in February, March. Right now, looking for it, because at the end, students are otherwise really hunting for it, and then they don't get it. They are very panicked, and sometimes they have to pay 10,000 rupees for taking training. So right now, if you look for it, I think you will get it. And don't get blocked to only hospitals or pharma industry. I think open up. Even writing in a newspaper about a science can be a big career. Yeah. So otherwise, go to Ayush department and ask them whether they can give you some training just now because you are talking about plant. But there are so many other ways to take training. I'm just suggesting you are fine. I think good. I hope that you all must have put your camera on, and so if you have not put it on so that that automatic reading should not have problem. Otherwise, from my side, it's done today. त्रिदेव चक्रवर्ती, कैसा लगता है ये एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, आई मीन स्टडिंग फ्रॉम होम?
Sir, thoda like it's a bit different, but working from college or studying from college is much more better experience.
I agree with you all, because in my life, as few minutes back also I told you about this plant identification on somebody's question. I knew nothing about this authentication and plant, but that was a time I really learned that how they are doing it. Somewhat I learned. So from people, sometimes, whatever Google can teach us, but sometimes what we can learn from people, and then interaction, managing the other people's happiness, unhappiness, being ourselves happy, unhappy with other people. This is all experiences come with interaction, and that is something big miss which you all have, I feel. But maybe I learned that way, so I always feel that people interaction is going to be at the end very, very important, and at college level only we learn. Okay, then I think I'll close the class right now.
Thank you,
We'll
sir.
have intermittently class like this, where only your questions we will take and elaborate and improve our knowledge on this. Okay, bye. See you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.